Hi everyone, it's Queen B. In this video, I'll show you how to use your pen drive as your RAM. If you have low RAM in your laptop or PC, this will be a game changer for you. Or if you just need extra bit of performance, you can get. So anyone can benefit from this trick. So without any delay, let's start. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to see more like this DIY videos every day. So the step 1 is plug in your pen drive to your PC or laptop through the USB slot. Step 2. Once it shows up on your PC, go to its property like me. And step 3. Then go to its ReadyBoost tab. As you see here. Then from below options, select the whole device to use as ReadyBoost to improve performance further, or use certain amount from the device to use as ReadyBoost. That's it. Now enjoy a fast and smooth new PC. Hope it helps. Like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.